Welcome back to KQ2. Meteorologist Colton Sikoraki is joining us now to tell us what he's forecasting. Potential storms, maybe?
Yeah, it looks like we will see storms. If we don't see storms tonight, we're going to see it tomorrow, and then really every single day in the 7-day forecast has a chance for rain, which is good news because those drought conditions continue across the area. But let's take a live look outside right now. This is again facing off towards the east. I think chances for thunderstorms tonight are pretty low, and they'll be mainly confined off towards the north, but there still is a severe thunderstorm watch that's in effect for the northern counties along the Iowa border right now. It goes in effect until 2 a.m. tonight, but I wouldn't be surprised if they do decide to cancel this watch early, and that is because the thunderstorms that prompted the watch are moving up into parts of Iowa and Nebraska, and even now they're not looking very strong out there, so I wouldn't be surprised if that watch does get canceled. Nonetheless, there still is a slight chance for a few severe thunderstorms out towards the north. Slight risk is this yellow color. It does include Rockport. There's a marginal risk that includes Maryville and Falls City, but here in St. Joseph, I think the severe threat is very low. In fact, I think storm chances are pretty low as well. As we go through tomorrow, storm chances are better, and the Storm Prediction Center is also watching the area for maybe a strong thunderstorm or two. I think the primary threats tomorrow will be damaging winds, large hail, and also some very heavy rainfall. Your KQ2 hour-by-hour forecast. This is 1 o'clock tonight. Again, I think the storms are going to be to the north of the area. But as we go through tomorrow, I think we're going to be dry to start. But as we go through the late morning hours, we're going to see a line of showers and thunderstorms that move through. And as we go into the afternoon, what we'll be watching is for a few more thunderstorms to move through the area. And I think it could be a rather rainy evening. And you can see this orange color, the red, and even the dark red. That is some heavier rain. So I think rainfall totals for tomorrow, depending on where these thunderstorms set up, some places could see quite a bit of rain. And then as we go into Monday morning as well, I think we'll see much of the same thing for Labor Day with chances for rain throughout the day. Now, I mentioned those rainfall totals. I don't want you to pay attention too much to these exact numbers. I don't think 5 inches of rain is going to fall in Cameron, but there could be some heavy totals as we go through the next couple of days, and that is because of where those thunderstorms do decide to set up. Tri-State Ford camera up in Maryville. It's a quiet night. They're not seeing any rain right now, and those thunderstorms continue to be north of the area. And as for temperatures, 80 degrees now in St. Joseph, 78 in Maysville, 78 down in Cameron, 80 degrees in Kansas City, and 78 degrees there in Hiawatha. And we're going to see these numbers climb back into the 80s as we go to tomorrow. Tonight, 72 degrees, isolated thunderstorms. I think the best chance is going to be to the north, and winds will be from the south-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, have us at a high temperature of 85 degrees, partly cloudy skies, a chance of thunderstorms throughout the day. I think the best chance would be during the evening hours. Next couple of days, look at all of these rain chances. Every single day has at least a 40% chance of seeing some storms. I think the best chance will be coming tomorrow and Monday, and then once again on Wednesday, and then we see temperatures fall back down into the 70s as we go into next week. So we have an extremely active weather pattern on the way for us over the next couple of days.
Wow. But again, areas that really need that rain.
It's good news. That's what we need.
Absolutely. Thanks so much, Colton.